Innovation didn't just shape our world. It rewrote the rules of what's possible. For centuries, engineers and technicians have pushed boundaries so far, almost feels unnatural. And today, you're about to see machines that don't just work, they dominate. Welcome back to Machines Visit. But what you're about to witness isn't just engineering. It's power on a level most people never even imagine. Let's start where things get serious. Cranes may look ordinary from a distance, but at ports, they're the silent giants controlling everything. And then there's AON's SGC 90, a machine so powerful, almost feels unreal. With a lifting capacity of 3,200 tons, this isn't just a crane, it's a monster. Its 130-meter boom stretches into the sky, connected by 6 massive steel wires and the rope running through it, nearly half a kilometer long. But here's the part that doesn't make sense. For something this powerful, it's almost silent. Now imagine standing next to it and barely hearing it move. That's not normal. Now, what if the problem isn't lifting things, but destroying them? Breaking rock sounds simple, until you're dealing with formations that have been untouched for millions of years. That's where Fractum steps in. Since 2004, they've been developing technology designed for one purpose: absolute destruction. Their machines deliver energy levels up to 880,000 joules, enough to shatter massive rock structures like they're nothing. The operator doesn't even need precision. Just position the machine, lift a hammer, and let gravity do something terrifying. One drop, and the rock doesn't just crack. It collapses. And the scariest part? These systems can be mounted on different machines, meaning this kind of power can show up anywhere. Now let's shift from destruction to something even more controversial. Because while the world argues about climate change, one company decided to challenge the entire shipping industry. Oceanbird. Instead of relying on fuel, they went back to something ancient: wind, but not the way you think. Their ships are equipped with 105-meter-tall wing rigs that look more like something from the future than the past. These massive structures harness wind energy to move cargo ships across oceans. And here's the twist: they can adjust their height, lowering themselves to pass under bridges, or adapting to violent ocean winds. No fuel, minimal noise, reduced emissions. It sounds perfect, almost too perfect. Because if this works at scale, what happens to the entire fuel-based shipping industry? Now, let's take things even further. What if a plane didn't need to behave like a plane? Hybrid Air Vehicles, a British company, built something that feels like it shouldn't exist: the Airlander 10. It's not fully a plane, not fully an airship, but somehow both. Powered by 4 diesel-driven propellers, it uses a combination of aerodynamic and aerostatic lift. In simple terms, it doesn't just fly, it floats with control. Originally designed for military use, it's now been transformed into a flying luxury experience, complete with bedrooms, a bar, and lounge space. It carries up to 18 passengers. And here's the part that sounds unbelievable. It can stay in the air for 3 full days at 600 feet. No rush, no noise, just floating above everything. Now imagine being inside that. Peaceful or unsettling. Back on the ground, things get intense again. Cape Holland CV 320 VLT introduces a tool that completely changes how heavy structures are installed. This vibro lifting tool can handle stacks weighing up to 600 tons without needing traditional grips or seabed frames. It lifts, rotates, positions, and installs, all in a single operation. But here's the risk most people don't think about. If something this heavy is even slightly unstable, the consequences aren't small. That's why this machine doesn't just move structures. It controls them, forcing them deep into the ground until they're stable. Because leaving something like that unsecured, that's not a mistake. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Now, let's talk about precision. When it comes to bridge inspection, one wrong move could cost lives. That's where Palfinger steps in. Their inspection units are trusted across railway systems, road networks, and specialized vehicles. These machines don't just provide access. They create a safe working zone in places that are otherwise impossible to reach. Fast setup, high comfort, and maximum safety. Because when you're suspended in the air, there's no room for error. And finally, something that looks simple on the surface, but isn't. Braunig, a company that has quietly mastered efficiency. Their machines are built with a combination of hydraulics and electronics, so refined, operators barely notice the complexity behind them. Multiple engine options, electronic charging systems, and a design focused on safety and ease. Everything feels smooth, almost too smooth, because behind that simplicity is a system engineered to remove every possible risk. And that's the real pattern here. These machines aren't just built to perform, they're built to replace limits. Control and steering sound simple, right? But in reality, they're the difference between total control and complete chaos. That's why these mower systems are designed to move almost effortlessly. No struggle, no force, just smooth precision. And here's where it gets interesting. Monitoring used to be complicated, but not anymore. The BR Mayer mowers change that completely by integrating an LED control center that puts everything in front of you. Direction, speed levels, micro adjustments, even attached equipment. All displayed on a single glass interface. It looks simple, but behind that simplicity is total control. Now let's move somewhere unexpected. Beaches. They may look clean on the surface, but what's hidden beneath tells a different story. Tiny debris, cigarette butts, microscopic waste. Things you don't notice, but they're everywhere. That's where the Simex BC Beach Cleaner steps in. This machine doesn't just clean, it filters reality. It sifts through sand, wet or dry, separating what belongs from what doesn't. Debris is collected, stored in a high-capacity hopper, and then discharged effortlessly from the cabin. But here's the twist. It can be customized for precision. Different screening sizes, adjustable working depth up to 200 mm, meaning nothing escapes it, not even what you can't see. Now let's talk about something built for versatility, but hiding serious engineering underneath. The Green Tech Multi-Carrier HXF3302. At first glance, it's just an attachment frame, but look closer. This is the largest in its series, equipped with an automatic hydraulic brake system and an anti-cavitation valve. Features most people don't even realize are critical. It's lightweight, easy to attach, yet built to handle extreme demands. Because sometimes the most dangerous machines are the ones that look the simplest. Now things get intense. Imagine an emergency at an airport. Seconds matter. Mistakes aren't allowed. And then this shows up, the Panther 8x8. This isn't just a rescue vehicle. It's a beast engineered for chaos. Nearly 1,500 horsepower, speeds over 130 kilometers per hour, and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in under 25 seconds. But that's not even the most shocking part. It carries over 19,000 liters of extinguishing agents with a pump output of 10,000 liters per minute. When this machine arrives, the situation changes instantly because it doesn't respond to emergencies. It overpowers them. Now, just when you think you've seen everything, you haven't. Meet the E-Dumper, the world's largest electric vehicle, and probably one of the most unexpected breakthroughs in heavy machinery. Built in Switzerland, this machine can carry 65 tons of material down steep terrain. But here's the part that feels almost unreal. It doesn't just use energy, it creates it. While moving downhill, it regenerates power, making it a CO2-free system with reduced maintenance and lower noise emissions. So instead of consuming fuel, it's rewriting how energy works. Now imagine what that means for the future. Next, we enter one of the harshest environments on Earth, mining. And here, there's no room for weakness. The Panther Series 2 low loaders are built for this exact purpose, handling payloads up to 1 million kilograms. Designed for both manual and autonomous operation, these machines focus on one thing: safety under pressure. With rear axle rotation systems, full-width ground contact, and integrated wet brake systems, stability is never compromised. Because in mining, one mistake isn't small, it's catastrophic. Now, let's shift to something completely different, but just as impressive. Cotton transport. Sounds simple, until you realize the scale. The CR and Miller cotton cartage trailer redefines efficiency by carrying up to 9 cotton modules per trailer. But the real innovation lies in its restraint system, designed to work with existing equipment. No complicated setup, no unnecessary changes, just pure efficiency. And here's the clever part. Even with a load height of 4.5 meters, it integrates seamlessly with standard trailers. Sometimes, innovation isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. Now, let's head back to the ocean, because this is where machines become cities. The Odyssey of the Seas and the Quantum of the Seas. Massive cruise ships, nearly identical in size, over 1,100 feet long, carrying thousands of passengers. But here's where things get interesting. It's not just about size, it's about experience. Odyssey offers 19 dining options, while Quantum is 18, but with more complimentary choices. More pools, more hot tubs, different pricing structures. At first glance, they look the same, but the way you experience them is completely different. And that difference, it costs you. Finally, we end with something truly massive. The HMM Algeciras, one of the largest container ships ever built, nearly 400 meters long, 61 meters wide, with a capacity of almost 24,000 containers, built in South Korea and launched in 2020. This ship doesn't just transport cargo, it moves the global economy. And when something this big moves, the world moves with it. That's it for today. But here's the real question. Are these machines helping us, or slowly replacing the limits we once believed in? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if this made you see machines differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because what's coming next, visit be even more unbelievable. Fire